discreet about tampons? Why are girls so weird about hiding tampons? Like, we all need them. My favorite thing to do, I would wear a long sleeve t-shirt. You'd reach down into your backpack. You'd grab the tampon and like put it in your sleeve. And then you'd like hold your sleeve like this and walk. A lot of girls sometimes like have like little makeup bags or bathroom bags. Sometimes if I didn't have a long sleeve shirt on, I'd put it like right in your waistline and then just put the shirt over it. And you could put it like in your bra or in your back pocket, but that's not even discreet enough. You gotta get creative. I don't know why girls hide their tampons, because we're embarrassed for being women, which doesn't make sense. I don't know, I guess you just don't wanna be like the distraction of pulling out a tampon and then everyone like looking at you. It's like when a pencil drops in the room. Maybe we should all just like start wearing them around our necks with pride. Buy the tampons that are mini because they're easier to hide and be discreet about, and they're cute colors, so it doesn't really matter. What's worse than having to be discreet about a tampon is not having a tampon and having to ask people around. So just make sure you have tampons. I just prefer being discreet about it because I like to, I like to keep my life low key. I don't need people knowing my business. That's all I have to say about tampons.